Hi, I'm Lila, a product manager at Wise Business, the account built for businesses with international payment needs. Wise Business is an online account that lets you make payments, get paid, and spend money around the world with the mid-market exchange rate in over 40 currencies. You can also use it to pay invoices, buy inventory, and handle payroll in over 160 countries. We're passionate about helping businesses save time and money from day one. So today I'm here to talk you through the onboarding process and what we'll need from you in order to get started quickly and efficiently. First off, it only takes a few minutes to set up your Wise Business account. Simply head to our homepage and click Set Up in Minutes. You'll then be taken to the start of our onboarding process. Here you'll need to create your business account by entering the work email address you would like your business account to be linked to. If you already have a personal account with Wise, you can link your new business account to it so that you can access both with the same login. You can open a business account from within your account on web or app by selecting Open a Business Account. Depending on the country you are based in, we will either ask you to pay a one-time fee to set up your account, or you will have the option to have a free account whereby you can send money but without the perks of a full Wise Business account. How to set up an account. So you will be asked a series of questions as we gather information around what your business does, where it operates, who is behind it, and how you will be using Wise. While we aim to support all businesses, there are some specific use cases that we are not allowed to onboard, namely crypto, alcohol, and gambling, to name a few. For a full list of businesses we are unable to onboard, please see our acceptable use policy in the link below. Once you start the process, we will ask for your business registry information. Depending on your country, this is usually a state or national registry. We will then ask you to provide information about what your business does, a website if you have one, as well as a description explaining how you generate revenue for your business and what you do. It is vital to provide us with as much information as possible here, as not doing so will result in us taking longer to process your application. If you already have a Wise account, you will not be asked for further identity information. However, it is your first time, you will need to provide us with an ID. And in most cases, you will need a camera to capture your face so we can match it with the ID provided. We recommend using a smartphone. However, you can also use a desktop/laptop computer. Directors or shareholders who have significant control of the company, or 25% or more of the shares of a business, will also need to be verified. Depending on the country you are registered and operate from, we will ask for further information so we know that they are tied to your business and can verify their identity. As we operate in over 40 currencies, you are likely to be asked for more information that is specific to the country you are running your business from. It is good to have these documents on hand. Once you have submitted all the information and paid for your account or set up a transfer, we will begin to process the information. It usually takes us up to 2 working days, and we will keep you in the loop throughout the process. If for whatever reason we need more information from you, we will inform you via email, push notification, and in the Wise app. While you are waiting to be verified, you can connect to accounting software and set up your team members, so when you get the green light from us, you can begin to seamlessly use Wise. We look forward to welcoming you and your team to Wise Business so you can get started on growing your business without borders today.